Unlock your descriptions. Mastering adjectives and adverbs for materials and textures. Hello, learners. Today, we're going to dive into the world of English language adjectives and adverbs to describe materials and textures. These are key components in language that can make your descriptions of places vibrant, vivid, and alive. So, let's get started. Adjectives are words that describe or modify other words, making your language richer and more detailed. They can be used to describe the physical and non-physical attributes of objects, places, people, and more. In our context, adjectives will be used to illustrate the characteristics of different materials and textures. For example, consider the following sentences. 1. The metal gate is rusty. 2. The stone wall feels cold and rough. 3. She is wearing a silky dress. Each bold word is an adjective that helps to describe the material, metal, stone, silk, in a more detailed way. Just like adjectives, adverbs are there to provide extra details to your descriptions. However, they modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They can tell us how, when, where, and to what extent something happens. In the context of describing materials and textures, adverbs can be used to provide further details about the manner or intensity of a texture or material. For example, 1. The carpet is incredibly soft. 2. The glass feels remarkably smooth. 3. The concrete wall is extremely rough. In these sentences, the bolded words are adverbs that enhance the description of the material's texture. The beauty of language comes when we are able to combine these elements effectively. By using adjectives and adverbs together, we can create vivid and engaging descriptions of materials and textures. Here are a few examples. 1. The old wooden door was unbelievably rough. 2. She brushed against the incredibly soft velvet curtains. 3. The metal surface was surprisingly cold. In these examples, the bold words represent the adverb-adjective pairs, working together to create a fuller picture of the material and its texture. Well, that's it for today's lesson on using adjectives and adverbs to describe materials and textures. Remember, practice is key in learning a new language. Try to use these descriptive words in your daily English conversation. And don't forget to be creative. I hope this lesson was helpful, and we'll see you next time. Keep learning and growing, dear language enthusiasts.